So today I'm gonna speak about how and what is the volatility in the market and how is it taken care of. So first of all, let's just see like what is volatility. So volatility is nothing but the highs and the lows that are being made in the market. Meaning to say like what is the fluctuation level of the market that is happening. That is called volatility. So suppose okay, where the hell is the doodle? Okay, so you know that till now, right? Like the stock makes a move in a uptrend like this, right? It makes a like first high, then low, then up high again, then low, then again, right? Stock market moves like this, right? It doesn't move like in a single way, right? In a up direction. Similarly, it is going to go down. It will be making further lower lows and like that, right? It will not be coming directly in a single line downwards. So in order to measure the volatility in India, we have a thing called VIX, VIX, volatility India. That is the meter which we measure the volatility. Now, what does this VIX calculate is what is the volatility in the market? Now, let me just show it to you on a monthly time frame chart. You can see this like it was going a stagnant form like this yeah. So it was into this stagnant form, right? And just you can see this in the month of 2020 in 2020 year, like in January it was like this, February it is like this, March it is blowing up. What is the high of this candle? That is 86.64, right guys? So understand this thing, the volatility index or VIX, it shows us the volatility that is in the market, and it is inversely proportional to the market upside. Okay, so suppose if there is a higher VIX, right, that means the market is falling down. Okay, or if it is on a lower VIX side, that means the market is going up. Okay, so why there is a huge spike up in volatility here? You remember this, right? This was the day when the corona virus it kind of break out. And we will, if I will show you Nifty 50 chart, I've opened the daily time frame chart, right? So let's just see the daily time frame chart of Nifty as well. So like close to this political day, right? Like say 3rd or 9th of March, right? Third month. So this also kind of breakout happened on 3rd of March, right? 9th of March, sorry, right? This was into a range bound condition. After that, the it went up, right? It started going up. So as the wick starts to go up, right, the markets tends to fall down. Okay, so these are both inversely proportional to each other, and you can see this, right, on last Friday, right? That was 12th of June. On that day, India VIX was like falling down. So you can see this, right? From a higher level it was into a stagnant form, right? So this also shows that like the market is into a fluctuation mode, and higher the value of volatility index, that means the market is still going to go up or down, and the more value it is, like the more fluctuations will be there. Okay, so how this thing is going to be calculated and how it will be helpful for you, you can just check Indian volatility index. Okay, volatility index in India, and based on that you can check it out how much is the volatility, right, based on that. And by this manner you can see and identify what is the highest volatility. And if you will see this, since 2009, right, the highest point it is made in just last month, right, 86. And after that in 2008 recession also, I don't know if it has data. So they don't have the data actually of 2008 recession. So Zerodha is only offering this much from 2009 onwards. So you can see this, right, the volatility index was into this kind of phase only, right, from ranging between 9 points to almost 28 points, right? So जब भी 28 30 के पास जब भी विक्स जाता है तब मार्केट हमारा बहुत नीचे जाने की कोशिश करता है, ठीक है? एंड इन मार्च ओनली वी नोटिस दैट द ह्यूज स्पाइक अप वाज देयर, राइट? And that's why like we saw a lot of fall down in the market, and that was also a global sentiment, right? Market was falling globally, right? So of course the VIX it will be coming down to neutral, of course, and once it reaches to these levels again 12 13 14, the markets will be normal again. Okay, this is the normal criteria of VIX. Okay, on this particular day, the 5th 20th of May, right, 2019, if you will just see 20th of May 2019, 20th of May, is it the same date? 20th May 2019, just a second. April, so this is 2nd, 3rd, 4th and 5th. Okay, so this is a day, right? 20th of May, right? 17 and 20, right? On this day, right, there's a huge gap up, right? and because of this, from this particular point the high was 11426 and the next day it was 845, so almost 400 points to a closing of say 800 points, so almost 500 to 600 points, the market has gone up, right, shoot it up. That is why Indian VIX has fallen down on that case, right. You can see this, there was a huge candle, right. So always remember that if the market is going up, the VIX is gonna go down, but if the market is gonna go up, the VIX is gonna go down. Oh, did I repeat the same thing again? So these are just inversely proportional, and this is how the volatility of Indian market is being calculated, especially Nifty 50. Okay, these are both inversely proportional. I hope this video was information for you. So thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.